guys, and welcome back to Cooking with Claire. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my oven baked barbecue chicken. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so I have about 10 drumsticks here that I've rinsed and pat dry. And to this, I'm going to add a dry rub, and this is all 1 teaspoon. I have 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, seasoned salt, and paprika. So we're just going to pour this over top of our chicken. And to this, you're going to add in about a 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Next, I have some liquid smoke here, and this is really going to give your chicken that barbecue flavor without actually grilling it. So you want to go ahead and just give it a few dabs like that. That's probably around a teaspoon as well. And you're going to go ahead and mix this up in your chicken. Okay guys, so now that this is all mixed up, I'm going to go wash my hands. I'm going to let this marinate for about an hour before I put it in the oven. Okay guys, so our chicken has been marinating for about an hour, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the baking dish. Now I'm just going to pour all of that marinade juice over top of our chicken. So now you want to bake these in the oven for about 45 to 50 minutes on 375. Okay guys, so it's been about 50 minutes and I went ahead and took the chicken out of the oven, and you see all this oil inside of my pan. I'm gonna go ahead and drain that out. So now that I've drained all the juice and the oil off of our drumsticks, you want to go ahead and set your oven for broil. Next, you want to just go ahead and pour whatever barbecue sauce you'll be using on top of your chicken. And I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, but you can use whatever barbecue sauce you want. And you want to be pretty generous with your barbecue sauce, and you want to make sure you're getting it on the top and the bottom. So after I finish doing the tops of this chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and flip it over and do the bottom, and we're just going to repeat that process. Now I'm going to flip these back over, and now I'm just going to pour the excess over. I don't know about you guys, when I eat my barbecue chicken, I like my chicken on the saucy side. I don't really care for them to be really dry. Okay, so that's looking good. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put these back in the oven on broil for about 5 to 10 minutes. But you want to keep an eye on your chicken, because depending on your stove might be hotter than mine and your chicken may burn. So when you put it on broil, make sure that you're keeping a close eye on your chicken. Okay guys, so I just took our drumsticks out of the oven, and as you can see, they look so delicious. They're nice and gooey, and they have that nice char from being in the broiler. So I'm going to plate these up so you guys can see what they look like. And here's our chicken all plated up, guys. Oh my goodness, look at that. That looks so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put in your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.